Brian, what is the value proposition of the DuraVision IP decoding monitors, and where are they typically deployed?
So the big value proposition right now is the lack of a Windows operating system. So all of our decoders are embedded Linux based, which allows users to eliminate putting that extra Windows client out there on the periphery, something that's hard to manage with high cost of maintenance, upkeep, cybersecurity issues, a whole list of issues that just putting that Windows box out in difficult to manage locations brings. So we're seeing deployments in perimeter guard stations, nursing stations, mass transit out in railways, places like that that aren't really always easy to get to, aren't always easy to find in the local office facility.
So with the IP decoding box that you're highlighting here at GSX, what does it do exactly, and what are the applications that it's designed for?
Yeah. So our IP decoding box, it will receive in and display up to 32 channels of live video. So we can take live video directly from cameras, a recorder, and VMS, any number of sources. So we really have a lot of flexibility with what we can receive and display. So that makes it very useful for displaying on a video wall, because we can choose any size monitor you want, from a 15-inch up to like a 75-inch 4K. We're really not inhibited by different sizes. We also have a decoder function built inside of a monitor. So if you just want to hook up a 23-inch or 46-inch monitor straight to the wall, network cable, power cable, and you can automatically set it up remotely.
Okay. How does that help simplify video surveillance installs in, video wall and multi-video environments?
Yep. So the nice thing with our solution is, because we're eliminating Windows, we're eliminating the need for licensing for operating system updates, installs. So think about opening up that computer. First thing you have to do is register your Windows. Then you spend the next day setting it up, doing the Windows updates, all the cybersecurity patching. Then you have to go back and continuously do all that for every different Windows update. Ours, really from box to setup and display, you're looking at 15 to 20 minutes. So that dramatically decreases your setup time and all the costs associated with the labor and all the prep work you have to do.
Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.